Today's episode is about vices. I told Mishi I need to find a place with some good lighting, so Mile High Stinger actually reached out to me and he noticed that I hit 5K subs. So he's gonna donate a E-badge, Engineering Excellence, like I have on the front of my car, and the wind booster. So I'm gonna think of a way to do a giveaway with that. Leave some suggestions in the comments down below. Yeah, 5K. Plus I'm gonna reach out to KM2, see about the HKS giveaway. I wanna kind of keep that going every 1K. So thank you guys so much. Let's go get some shit for the house. And these lights are sick. I'm getting ready to upload a video, guys, showing you how to install the carbon fiber Stinger badge on the back and the carbon fiber fuel door. So it's really not that hard. Then I want to roll out some import face-off and cars and coffee. So got some good stuff coming. The weather's getting nice. Hey, is that gonna be a copyright? Stay big money at Menards. You're welcome, Menards. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a E-badge on the bloopers. I don't think I have anything else. Yeah, I think that's it.
That's it? Okay.
Yeah. Did you say we have an extra ticket to Deftones?
Yes.
When is it?
May 10th.
May 10th, that's like 5 days from now.
No, it's next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday?
7 days.
Hey, if anyone wants to come to Deftones, Indianapolis, let me know. Should be pretty sick. Never seen them before, so.
Are you gonna smell the flowers?
All right, guys, so the nice weather is actually rolling in. With that said, it's really windy out. I had to back the car in the garage, and I'm gonna get the lighting as best as I can, but I'm just gonna show you really quick what I do to install this. I've never installed a rear emblem, but I got some dental floss. That's the route I'm gonna go. Now, it has been sitting out in the sun, so that adhesive is warm. If it's in a cooler, environment, I would recommend that you guys invest in a heat gun. That thing will come in handy. I've used it quite a few times. Honestly, it's not going to be necessary today. It's really beautiful out. It's like almost 80 degrees and sunny. First things first, let's just knock out the rear emblem, and then I'm going to attempt this fuel door with carbon fiber. But as you can see here, guys, check this out. I just started doing this. We're just kind of, just take your time here. Try to pull away from the emblem. Don't scratch that paint. The Kia paint is very, very easy to scratch. This stuff is like super thick, but it still is easy to break. So fishing line will also work. I would definitely not use this because, like I said, this Kia paint will scratch, and I'll show you. Just kind of cutting through that adhesive. But okay, well, there it goes. Grr. If you guys want this, I'll ship it to you. Have some twin turbo memorabilia. What I'm gonna do here, we're left over with all of this. Honestly, this just takes some diligence here. It's gonna depend on how long you've had this on the car, but I would just use your finger, okay? And then just try to pull it up. So that's what we're left over with here. I'm gonna grab the camera. I got the light on there, so it's gonna look as worse as possible. See that outline of that stencil? That's okay. First thing we're gonna do is just clean this area off real quick with some quick detailer. And as always, guys, I link everything I use down in the description. I mean, if you're gonna buy it anyways, it'd be cool if you use my link because actually they're affiliate links through Amazon and I get a little bit of a kickback. Let's just kind of go easy here, start fresh here and see what we're working with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get a clay bar. If you guys don't know what a clay bar is, it just helps get all the stuff off the top here, all the contaminants. It'll get off any leftover adhesive or anything that's stuck on there. Like, I'm gonna compound it, try to get some of these scratches out. Here's our clay bar. These are awesome. So I have a video that how I get my Stinger to look so shiny. Well, really any car, every car I've ever had, I kind of just always do the same thing. I clay bar it, compound it, polish it, and ceramic it. It's just a lot of elbow grease. It's super simple to do. Anyone can do it. I've always had the best luck with just like Mothers and Meguiar's personally. I mean, I've tried the chemical guys. They're not bad either. I know that they push a lot of social media affiliate marketing, so their marketing is awesome. I will give them that. But yeah, with this, you'll feel it, man. You can feel contaminants come out. I always do the clay bar every year. You don't have to push crazy hard, but you'll feel it. You'll feel it take stuff off. Really satisfying. And you can even see, dude, I just got a decent amount of dirt off there and on that side, so that's awesome. Now we're down to the bare clear coat. You can see it's a major improvement. It's still there slightly, but again, I need that there. I'm gonna use that as my stencil, remember? Just in case, because when I go over this with compound and polish, I bet that that'll disappear. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with some of this compound real quick. Brand new, fresh applicator pad. This compound is really gonna help get all these surface scratches off that have been driving me crazy. It's just really hard to clean around that emblem. Now is a good time to really get all those scratches off here. Now you can feel this. This is definitely almost feels like there's a little bit of an abrasive in here because it is compound after all. I do have an orbital buffer, but sometimes I like just doing a hand job like this. Now that scratch right here, that ain't gonna compound out. That's pretty deep, unfortunately, so it is what it is. But I think the Stinger logo completely just disappeared, so I took a picture of it for reference. Actually, I might be able to cover that scratch up and just center it really good, kind of center it how I want it to be. The Stinger is completely gone. I'm gonna hit it with some polish. I'm not going to ceramic it. I want that adhesive to stick really good, so that the ceramic will probably be a conflict of interest if I put that on now, but take some polish up in here. I don't like to let this stuff dry. Oh wow, man, that's so shiny, it's insane. I love it. Meguiar's 4L. What I want to do now, there's two steps here. So there's a ceramic surface prep. This helps get off all the polish oils and stuff like that. And then there's a ceramic coating. I'm going to just hit this real quick with the surface prep stuff. This will help get off any polish residue. The paint's been polished, so this isn't gonna remove it or nothing. Oh, it smells so good, man. CMX products smell fire. This is basically just cleaning the surface really, really well in preparation for our new emblem. Here's our new carbon fiber logo. I love this matte black look. As you guys know, my trim around the car is matte black. So at certain angles, this is gonna match it perfectly in contrast with this gloss black. There is a nice little scratch right here that's very deep that I did. Now I have an opportunity to move this logo up just a tad bit higher and cover that all while looking perfectly center. And this one actually does come with 3M brand tape, which is awesome. The best double-sided adhesive you can get for sure. I'm gonna hold it like this. Now I remember that scratch was showing right there. Oh my gosh, don't touch that. Maybe kind of bow it out a little so you don't do that. With your license plate, just kind of center it up like that, and then we're just gonna bring it straight up. And I'm going to start in the middle there, like that, kind of tack it right there. And then I'm gonna stand back and just kind of make sure. Ooh, that looks gorgeous, man. Oh, my Burberry shades. Been having a rough day, guys. At least I didn't scratch these. I need those. Those are my prescription shades. Okay, pushing down right here in the middle. We're gonna let this kind of naturally flow down like that. Same over here. Perfect, it's on there, man. Again, this is 3M. This ain't going nowhere. Just gonna kind of give it a little firm press here and there for a few seconds, and I think we're good. Yeah, and then I did this back here.
Oh yeah, the Stinger with it?
Yeah, mine was already matte black, so it's kind of like not a huge difference, but until you get close up on it, you can tell certain lighting. All right, man. How's your neck feeling after that? Scale of 1 to 10. How fun was it?
I would say like good 10.
10?
It was pretty fun.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Oh, she liked it. What about you, Bella? Today is April 26th, Tuesday. Let's congratulate Michelle.
Right.
It's 2 years. Your 2-year celebration for your sex addiction.
So messed up.
I know. It is, but I'm proud of you.
What the fuck? I never had it.
I got a couple white claws for us to celebrate.
I'm not having this conversation with you. This is...
I mean, don't be embarrassed. My audience is mature.
That's not true. That's a lie.
What's your Instagram? I'll put it up on the screen.
Don't even put this on YouTube. This is too much.
Is it?